Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have ABS light or you have problems with your ABS pump or ABS valve body, guys, the whole module, stay with us, guys, and we'll show you which two fuses to check, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze. Our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can by providing all these free videos to you guys. All we need in return, please give a like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your recommendation, guys, either good or bad, so we know how we can improve the channel. Now, all the tools and parts, guys, including the replacement fuses, guys, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So first, we need to go ahead and open. Okay, open here the hood. We've been working on this car quite a bit lately. Your ABS pump module, actually it's okay back there, guys. Okay, you can see this is your ABS module under that tank. So it's a little bit hard to see, but it's right there. We have a video how to replace it if you need to. This is the fuse cover that we need to remove, guys. Okay, you have three clips, so we need to squish in and pull up. Perfect. Now, guys, okay, the fuses that we need to check. Okay, the first fuse, guys, will be fuse number 30. And fuse number 30, guys, it's for the ABS valve body, for the control valve, the module. Okay, it's this one right here. It's a little bit hard to see. Let me see if we can, yep, like that. This fuse right here, guys, it's the number 30 fuse. So we'll get the fuse puller from here. There is one clip that we need to spread back and pull up. Okay, and then we get on top of the fuse, grab it, pull it out. Now, let me show you guys this fuse. Okay, you can definitely tell that this fuse is burnt. Okay, but sometimes it's really hard to tell if it's fuse is burned because they don't always burn, okay, visibly. It could be a small burn that it's hard to detect. So what I'll be using here now, guys, okay, we'll be using a voltmeter. You can check this thing out, listed in the description of the video below, guys, for your convenience. And I'll set it to continuity testing. And if that fuse is good, guys, okay, we should get zeros on the screen. Nothing. So I will get a good fuse now, replacement fuse from here, a 15 amp fuse. Okay, and let me show you now this fuse, guys. If we test it, it will give us zeros, guys. Perfect. So this is definitely a good fuse. Now, I'll go ahead, plug it in. Now, where is the fuse, guys, for your ABS pump? Your ABS pump is actually fuse number 26. It's this big 40 amp fuse. So usually this one, you grab it with your fingers, shake it a little bit. Okay, it comes out. We'll have those listed in the description of the video below as well. This one, you test it the same way, guys. Okay, we're going to test ours. On the bottom you have two places where, okay, I'm trying to get the wire out of the way that you touch it, and if it's good, it's going to show zeros. So that's definitely a good fuse right there. So those are the fuses, guys, for the ABS pump. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.